cómo tomaron la iniciativa. Mr. Crazy apenas se quitó por ahí la indumentaria.
Parejas después de que los técnicos, sobre todo Venom Black, pues había tomado.
Tornado DDT coming up. Tajiri gets.
Pérez lo tiene preparado. Anuncia severo castigo en efecto. Wow, DDT con variante.
Crazy now hooks Rhino. Tornado.
Crazy con tremendo codazo. Se prepara, le va a aplicar una DDT al estilo Tornado.
I think Ron Simmons broke the hold. Oh! Applying DDT.
狂った天才戦士スペルクレイジー DDT!
The hell is this? Inverted. Crazy. Hooks to Jerry. Spinning in. Super Crazy with a half.
Looks like he's going for a tornado. Oh!
Inverted Tornado DDT.
With Mercury here. Kick to the midsection. Wow! Tornado DDT off the second rope.
Crazy got that front headlock using the ropes.
Wow! Tornado DDT.
He came out of nowhere. What horse does he have in this race? The DDT.
Super Crazy to the midsection. Here we go. Wow! Spinning Tornado DDT. Do it. Super Crazy with the counter. Oh! Way. Kick to the midsection.
Watch out, watch out.
Wow! Tornado DDT.
Ball slide by Super Crazy. Leaping DDT. Super Crazy off the ropes. Nice counter into a leap.
Which style wins out here?
Too soon and pay for it. Leaping, swinging. Double axe handle missed. Swinging DDT. Tajiri went low. Swinging DDT on Little. CW hardcore hot rod outside and drag him down the street. Tornado DDT in Kansas City. Swinging DDT. Reversal from Lynn. Oh, back body drop. But it's Super Crazy.
He ducks the clothesline. Boot to the midsection. Oh, Crazy with the Tornado DDT.
That's what she's doing back there with Batista. Oh, wow. Planting kick cash. Oh.
Recognize that he made a mistake trying to pick him up.
Beautiful tornado spot.